Hi, this is Mr. Devereaux, and I am talking about the distributive property. And I know that some of you have had questions regarding some of the homework that you've had. So let's go over some of these together. Teresa is planning on making a fleece blanket for her nephew. She learns that the fabric she wants to use is $7.99 per yard. Find the cost of 4 yards of fabric. Justify your answer by using the distributive property. Well, what do I have to do here? There's a couple ways that you could do it. So it could be 4 times 7 plus 0.99. You could do it that way to get $7.99. Or you could say 4 times 8 minus 0.01. Because 8 minus 0.01, that's $8 minus 1 cent, is still going to get you to $7.99. So these are two ways that you can set that up. Any way that you get it, your final answer is going to be $31.96. Either you are adding $7 plus 99 cents or $8 and you subtract 1 penny to get there. Okay, so there's two different ways that you could have done it. Now let's look at number 33. I saw the threes. You are ordering t-shirts with your school's mascot. Go Cardinals. St. Joseph's. You are ordering t-shirts with your school's mascot printed on them. Each t-shirt costs $4.75. The printer charges a setup fee of $30 and $2.50 to print each t-shirt. Write 2 expressions to represent the total cost of printing n number of shirts. So, let's see how this, what is this going to be? So, n number of shirts times, it's going to cost $4.75, and it's going to cost $2.50 plus a total of 30 on the outside. Or I can have, after I do this, what is this going to be? This is going to be, well, I'd have to add that together. $4.75 plus $2.50 is $7.25 times n plus 30. That 30 on the outside is right there. So this expression right here is going to give me everything that I need for however many shirts. It actually costs $7.25 to do each shirt. The t-shirt is $4.75. The printing to put the St. Joseph mascot on it is $2.50 per shirt. For every shirt, it costs $7.25 plus $30 to set the whole thing up. So here are the 2 expressions that they're wanting. Okay? Now let's look at some of these down here. We've already done, this is a straightforward kind of distributive property where you're just multiplying. I'm going to look at a couple here that maybe we haven't gone over. This is just 34 is just multiplying, 37 is multiplying, 38, 39. Those are just straight multiplication. But let's look at 35 and 36 real quick, because I've got a variable multiplied by variables. Well, if I have a times b, I just have ab. If I have negative 6a times 2b, negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. A times b is ab. And now negative 6 times positive 5, negative 30. A times C, AC. That's what I have. That's my final answer for 35. When I'm multiplying two variables together, they just go together. I multiply the coefficients, so 6 times 2 and 6 times 5, or negative 6 times 2 and negative 6 times 5. You multiply the coefficients, and then you multiply the variables. Negative 4m times 3n. Again, multiply the coefficients. The coefficients are negative 4 and a positive 3. Negative 4 times positive 3 is a negative 12. The variables, m times n is mn. Negative 4 times negative 6 is a positive 24. M times p is m times p. And that's my final answer, negative 12 mn plus 24 mp. I want to look at one of these over here on the hot problems, the higher order thinking. I really like this 21. Write an expression that when using the distributive property can be simplified to 12a plus 18b minus 6c. I can guarantee you that when you get to high school, this is the #1 type of problem they want you to be thinking about once you become a freshman. Going from 8th grade into freshman year, this is the #1 type of problem they want. So 12a plus 18b minus 6c. We're going to factor out. What do all of these things have in common? 12a, 18b, 6c. They all are a factor of, well, I could say 2, I could say 3, I could say 6. So if I took a 6 out of all of those, I put the 6 away from that, what am I left with? 2a, because 6 times 2a is 12a. If I take a 6 away from that, a factor of 6, what do I have? 6 times 3b. Well, what about this? If I take that 6 away, divide the 6 out, I've got a negative c. And this is an expression that can be used to make 12a, 18b, negative 6c. Because look, 6 times 2a, 12a. 6 times 3b, 18b. 6 times negative c, negative 6c. This is a fantastic problem for you guys to look at. All right.